28s, heavy Chevys, watch them skate out on the freeway. I'm cruising this on replay, never could get a ticket. Slow lane, bumping SOS band, just reminiscing.
What up, y'all? By the means fan. What up? What up? We back with another video. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to take this stuff off the roof. You know what I'm saying? The headliner, take this off. We're gonna go ahead and put the KILMAT on. I'm fresh off vacation. I'm still technically on vacation. Coming back from that CNC Show, Connecting Never Competing Car Show, 78 Chevy Boy Show. Man, I had a good time out in Memphis. Definitely going back next year. Hit Beulah Street, you know what I'm saying? Seen the Mississippi River at the park, you know what I'm saying? The Arkansas Bridge. Went to see Young Dolph mural, you know what I'm saying? A lot of little stuff. Still with so much plenty of stuff to do. But definitely going back next year. That was a dope show. That's my new favorite show, you know what I'm saying? That CNC Show definitely was on point, you know what I'm saying? Voice a little sore, not that much, but you know, just traveling and whatnot. But I was sleeping good last night. It's my second day back. Came back Sunday night, but late, real late. Today is Tuesday. But like I said, we back on this truck though. So I'm gonna some attempt to go ahead and take this headliner off so I can get to start to put the KILMAT on. So let me get set up and everything. It's a little hot out here. It's about 80, 85. I got my little water with me. You know what I'm saying? Gotta stay hydrated. You know what I'm saying? Arizona. So yeah, let me get all set up and when I start trying to tear down this headliner. Alright, I'll catch y'all back on in a minute. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we even got that driver's side halfway off. Now the passenger side halfway off. As you can see, it ain't nothing. Flimsy as hell. Staples is holding it up. Even this piece right here ain't there with a piece of cardboard. It's actually fairly clean up under there. I'm not gonna even have to wipe. But the problem is now where the light is at. I just cut right there just to see. I don't know if it's up under there. It's looking like it's up under there. I was gonna try to cut and take it around. I ain't got no scissors or nothing on me. Might have a razor, but I took the clip out. I'm gonna just take that light bulb out, and then trying to see what's the next step. But I gotta get around that so I can take it off because I really don't want to take this whole gray clip off if I don't have to. So we'll see. But it's damn near, I say about 80% off. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got all the front, all that's off. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, let me figure out how I'm gonna get this piece around this this light. And we'll see what's happening. Alright, I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and just took a screwdriver and it was 2 screws. A little bright out here, let me put over here. It was 2 screws. One right there, one right there. Took that one out. But when I got to unscrewing that one, the whole headliner came off. Whole headliner came off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cut and I'm gonna get this off because I'm gonna still need this. Might could just order another, but for now I'm gonna put that back up there. But I gotta get that off. Okay, I see it ain't too much going on. Yeah, I'm gonna get that off. But we got it off. That was the main thing. As you can see, super clean. I wasn't expecting that, I will say. Super clean. So I'm gonna give it a slight wipe down. Nothing major, just a slight wipe down. We will start putting the KILMAT up there. Yep. It ain't take that long. Yeah. So yeah, that's crazy. And that little hairline wasn't doing nothing. So we're gonna go ahead, take this KILMAT out. Got the KILMAT with me. And we're gonna get to work. Alright, catch you back on in a minute. You already know what it is. Alright, y'all, I got 2 of the pieces on here. I started off this way, going from the front to the back, and then side to the back. So we're gonna make it work like that. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with the front. Got these clips up here. I'm gonna figure out what to do with these clips. We're gonna start doing most of this. I got the direction on how I wanna do it. So we're gonna roll like that for a minute. Make sure everything's straight. I was just thinking, when I was putting the two pieces up here, I was talking to one of the guys at the shop I've been going to for years, like over 15 years. You know, tell him, you know what I'm saying? I remember when I got the truck, I was like, yeah, I had already mentioned, I was like, yeah, I want mine to put some dynamite in here, or some KILMAT. And he was like, yeah, nah, man, you don't need all that. You don't need all that. For what? I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes that's why it's like, you know what I'm saying, it's your vehicle. You know what I'm saying? You learn it, you end up doing it, you do it yourself, you know what I'm saying? It's your build, your project. Some stuff you just end up doing it yourself, you know what I'm saying? Don't even worry about people's opinions and whatnot. Yeah, I wanted it. Why? Because I ain't want all that, you know what I'm saying? Then around and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? Granted, it is a truck, but still, like, once you get older, you don't want certain sounds you just don't want to hear, you know what I'm saying? And look at this, way more quiet. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, like, you know what? Like I said, some stuff, you know what I'm saying, you just gotta do yourself. Don't even worry about people's opinions and stuff like that. Whatever works for you, you know what I'm saying? I talked about this before, you know what I'm saying, works for you. But more of the story, sometimes, you know what I'm saying, just do it yourself. Like my man, my brother Keith say, you know what I'm saying, trial and error. My man say trial and error. Shout out to my brother, man, trial and error. But yeah, just want to speak on that though. Just wild, you know what I'm saying? You tell certain people certain stuff. But it's all good, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make it do what it do. By any means, fam, that's what we do, you know what I'm saying? We do what we gotta do. Straight up. Do what we gotta do. Space for that. Let me get this correct. I'm gonna cut y'all back on, y'all. Let me get this right. We'll go ahead and just finish up the whole thing. At least most of it we can. I'll cut y'all back on. Alright? Alright, y'all. So it's a wrap. It's a wrap. As you can see, it's all done. It's all done. We got that squared away. Not even too hot out here either, so you know what I'm saying, ain't really break a sweat like that. But yeah, we got it done. Only thing I had to do, right here, cause like I said, I gotta get new visors, which I'm gonna get, cause the visors that was on here, it's like paper, you know what I'm saying? They ain't doing nothing. So I kept the clip for this, cause you're gonna need this to go back. But if the visors are ordered, they come with the clip, then we cool. But I did keep the clip, so I just left this space right here. I'll probably go back and do this. I just gotta cut the KILMAT. But I got the majority, like y'all see, of everything. So let me see. There you go. Whole roof done. It's all done. Done deal. So that's done. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'll probably go back and do this. Most likely, that's part. But majority of that is done. And we got this done. So it's a wrap on that. Yeah, so all I need now, like I said, I already got my wires. I already got the full 4x6s. And so I just need an amp and a subwoofer. Like I said, I got my wires, my speaker wires, wiring kit, and then I got full 4x6s, some kicker ones. So we're gonna have some action soon. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have some sounds, some real sounds, and we're gonna be in the game as far as the audio. So y'all keep doing what y'all gotta do, you know what I'm saying, by any means way, you know what I'm saying. I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, checking me out, you know what I'm saying. So go ahead and hit that like button for me, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, y'all keep doing what y'all gotta do, you know what I'm saying. Stay positive, stay prayed up, and keep doing what y'all gotta do to by any means way, you know what I'm saying. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.